ni bàbá dùgbẹ̀ yìí dùgbẹ̀ tí wọ́n sọ lẹ́lẹ̀ àlùjọ ní èmi jọ ẹjájọ́ máa jò Mr. Òróróróró ọ̀rárárárá Mr. Talent ò ní ẹ ṣáà pè mí sórí aago mi wọ́n yá bàbá mọ̀ wọ́wọ́ mi ò ṣe máa kọ́ lówó ẹ̀yìn tiwa Bisi Ologe gbogbo wa ẹ̀rẹ̀ lágbo ó ti yé yín lọ́dọ̀ Bisi Ologe ọmọ yìí ni tẹ máa ń gbádùn lórí tẹlifíṣàn yìí ẹ máa wo ẹ má gbé kúrò ó fẹ́ gbé kúrò ó gbọ́dọ̀ gbé kúrò bẹ̀ jẹ́ kó wà báyẹn ilẹ̀ báyẹn thank you very much dùgbẹ́ yín náà lélẹ̀ sọ fún dáadáa bẹ̀rẹ̀ kẹ́sì Mr. Talent thank you.
Outside. When you meet this kind of you will forget that there is no cash in the ATM. And you will forget that they are stealing your money. This is Lagos. This is my city. This is my home. Lagos, I am here to talk. I am here to campaign. I'm here to inspire. I want to motivate. I want to take back. I want to take back what is mine. Join me to take back Nigeria. You see, even if I don't have my own to talk, I have two great wise men that I can borrow from. And I'll be good enough. Late Chief MKO Abiola of Blessed, he said, you cannot ease yourself in a well and drink from that well again. What happened 8 years ago in 2015? What could not happen then when they eased themselves in that well? They cannot come back and say what did not work then is going to work now. They are lying. The other man, he also eased himself. He released, he relinquished his rights when he said that it was the turn of the North in 2015. He cannot go back to that well and drink from it again. Out of 18 political parties, 15 have fallen behind. The remaining 3, out of the remaining 3, 2 of them have misconfigured themselves. They are not ready to win this election. They are on the ballot box only for elections, but politically speaking, those 2 parties are not in the race. What are we left with? The only winner of 2023 presidential election by the special grace of Almighty Allah is Labour Party. Lagos. As you would say, this is the year of the Lord 2023. Yes. We are about 50 years away from the second great wise man. This is the era of the Yopis. Most of you here have forgotten, but that wise man used to yab. Lagos, if you have forgotten that man, I will yab you. Baba Fela, just help me, just help me. The top, you shout Peter. Oh yeah, ready? Who fixed Nigeria? Peter. Our precious country. Peter. We find out for this one. Peter. For Dio. Fela talk say, then that shows democracy. Then shows what is so. Then we get democracy. No means say we craze. Everybody say we craze. Na him craze. Pdapc na them craze. Anybody come stand in front of you, say, then improve the security of Nigeria. What happened to that person? As you pass ATM and fuel queues, and then tell you say they fix your economy. People wait there go around tell you to waiting to them craze. That they know they steal your money. If you believe what will happen, you craze. Only Obi and my humble self are ready to lead Nigeria to greatness. Fellow Nigerians, Nigeria is that great country on the surface of the earth that bad governance has denied progress, and we're here to change it. Labour Party is that party that has stopped Nigerians from fighting themselves and has united Nigeria. Now let me define for you Peter Obi. He is that exemplary leader who came to power against all odds. The single most important individual who has dented Nigerian politics like never before. He is shining example who has left the kind of record that no government in Nigeria is even thinking of copying. Peter Obi is that international mega superstar. Nigeria has the world I'm waiting for. Before I go. Sisters, mark my like Obi will say, hold us responsible. From the day you hear President Peter of Nigeria, from that day we shall stop the killing and start the healing. We shall stop the stealing and start the keeping. We shall stop the slide and start the climb of the Nigerian nation. Please, I know we have an MC. This is Lagos. This is our final rally. I beg to take that honor of handing the microphone to Mr. President in waiting.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.